how you can curl your expression braiding hair or your marlin hair. So of course there's some things you're gonna need to get this done, and of course you're gonna need your rods, so you're gonna need these. Another thing that you're gonna need to have is a hair of choice. At the moment I'm going to be using the Expressions braiding hair. It would have come in the 84 inches pack and I would have cut it to get this length. Not too long. Another thing you may need is a wide tooth comb so that you could possibly comb out the hair if you wish to avoid any tangles in it. So a comb is another thing. And of course, what you won't be seeing now, which you will definitely be needing, is boiling water, hot water. So you're gonna need to boil some water to help you along with this process. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is to show you how you would actually wrap the hair on the rod to eventually form those curls. So of course, having your section of hair, you're going to take out an amount that you would want based on the size curls that you would need. So as you can see, I have the hair and I'm just pinching off an amount. So you basically estimate what you want, guys. If you want to see how big the curls would actually be, what you could probably do is to take off different size amounts of hair and then curl it and then see what the sizes are and then choose what you want. So for me right now, I'm working this size. So you're going to take the rod and then you're going to place the hair over it, the firm placement down at this end. Then you're going to turn the rod over, twisting the hair of the rod, holding it tightly, making like a finger 8 motion with your hand, fingers and your hand as you wrap it. Once you reach the end, you just connect that part to around here, and that will be it. So let's look at another one. Again, place the hair over the rod. Then you're going to twist the hair around. You can turn the rod to twist it, or you could just hold the rod in space in place and twist the hair itself. After you've done that, you begin wrapping the hair using a finger 8 motion with your hands. Once you reach the end and all of the hair is now on the rod, you would just take this part that's right here and attach it at the bottom, and that's it. Your hair is secure. And then of course, after this, the next step would be to just place the hair in hot water, and then normally place it in there and leave it for about 5 minutes. Then I would take it out. Of course, depending on how big or how small you want your curls to be, then you'd have to determine how many of these you're actually going to wrap. Normally, for the curls that I'm going to be showing you, I will wrap around probably 80 of these, 90. Depends on you, might want more, depending on how fluffy you want the hair to be, and so on. So guys, right here we have the rods and we have the boiling water. You can see the steam coming out of it. Since this is for demonstration purposes, all I did was to just use this little bowl that I have here. So we would just place, don't let your hand get in there like how I just let my own get in there. What you could use is another rod to push the rods down in the wall. And as I said, we'd let it sit there for 5 minutes or more or less, because even letting it sit for less than 5 minutes, you would still be able to achieve the curls. It really depends on you in terms of the time that you will use. So this is the rod now, guys, the hair on it. After I took it out of the water, so I'm just going to show you how to unwrap So here we have it. Take out this part. Then you're going to gently put your hand like this around the rod as you realize the hair is just coming off nice way without we're seeing the curls. There you have it. At the moment the hair isn't that dry, so what you could do after you unravel it is to just set the hair out to dry. So basically the time space between taking it out of the water, because remember we keep it in the water for 5 minutes and then you take it out and then unravel it. You could wait probably another 10 minutes or even 15, 20, depends on you. If you want to let it dry on the rod, that's fine. If you want to take it off the rod after about 10 minutes of having it on it, that's also fine. So here, just simply remove it. And there you go guys, you have the hair right here. And it looks really lovely, don't you guys think? So this is the expressions here. So yeah guys, that's it, showing you how we did this curl today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. Don't forget to give it a like, a thumb up, share it with someone who you know it might be beneficial to, as well as subscribe if you haven't done so already. So guys, that's it. Feel free to ask any questions you may have and I'll be sure to answer them. So until my next video guys, bye.